how to create a YouTube banner in Canva. So I'll be showing you everything you need to know about creating a banner for YouTube, and this will cover uploading your own photo and also using the correct resolution as well. Now we're just going to start by creating a new project in the top left hand side, and then using the search box we're going to type in YouTube banner. You can then go and select any of the different categories that's relevant to you, so you have things such as gaming or education. I'm just going to click on the general YouTube banner. Now over in the left hand side you'll see all of the pre-built templates that we can go and use and also customize as well. So if you're only on the free version of Canva, you want to make sure you select one of the free templates. You can see that the paid templates will have this crown icon in the bottom right hand side. So we're just looking for a template that we like that's free that we can go and use. So I'm just going to select this template here. Now, once you have your template selected, it's important to make sure this is the correct resolution and size. So basically, this is how it works for YouTube banners. Now, the entire document is going to be the size of this image here, but you can see we have a safe area in the middle of the page, and this is the area that we need to focus on, as this is the area that's going to be visible on all different devices. So this area in the middle, this will be visible on mobiles, computers, and also television as well. You can see that if you go outside of this safe area, it's only going to be visible on specific devices. So if I come back over to Canva, you can see all of this space in the top and the bottom. This is only actually going to be visible on television devices. So before we start, we need to go and add some rulers to know exactly what is the safe area in this Canva template. So what we're going to do is click on File in the top navigation, click on Settings and select Show Rulers and Guides. Now what we need to do is go and create 4 lines. So we're just going to drag the ruler over to the right hand side like this, and you're going to do that twice, so we have 2 vertical lines, and you also need to create 2 horizontal lines like this as well. Now I'll show you exactly where we need to place these lines to. So this first line, we need to make sure this is set to 508 in the top navigation. Now this second line, we need to go and add it 2052. This top horizontal line, we need to go and add this at 509. And the second horizontal line, you need to go and add at 931. So once you've added your rulers like this, you can see this middle section is basically what's going to be displayed on all different devices. So how it would typically work is you would have a background image like this that covers the entire document, and your main part of the image, such as your text or your logo, this will be placed in the center point over here. Now because this is a template, we can go and customize all of the different elements on this design. So for example, if you want to go and change the background, you can simply select it. You can click on uploads in the left hand side, and you can even upload your own image by clicking on upload files. You can then just drag your own image to the background like this. Now if you want to change the text, you can just go and double click on it. You can then go and type out your new text like so. You can also do the same for this as well. You can also use your mouse to move any of the different elements in this design. If you want to add your own shapes or your icons to the banner, you can go and click Elements in the top left hand side, and there's a bunch of different shapes and graphics you can go and add to your design. You can also add text over on the left hand side, and you can go and create new text boxes to add text to your banner. Now once you've finished with your YouTube banner, you can just go and click Share in the top right hand side, and then you can press Download. Now once you've downloaded your banner, you can just go and head over to your YouTube profile, click on Edit next to your banner. You can then click on Change to the banner image, and then we can go and upload our banner like this. As you can see, it will give you a preview of what this will look like before we upload it. So like I said before, your main content should be within this viewable on all devices section, and that's how you create a YouTube banner in Canva. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.